Feel it.
Their feels
feel it
just
like
like boogers.
It's like you picking your nose.
No. Careful, sissy, honey. Watch him.
This will touch my ear.
Yes, it did. You couldn't even tell, could you?
Hey, it touches my ear.
Ew.
How about I touch you with this?
You got anything else in there? I think we pretty much got him.
Hey. Look, I got it over here. I got my cat. Oh.
Are you filming?
Mm-hmm.
Oh.
I'm trying to scoop it up. There we go, look. I got it.
Good
I
job.
got it with this.
Good job.
Gosh. I've never seen you want to be so clean. There's a bunch down in there you can get on the spoon. See it down in there? There you go.
Hang on. Watch out.
Look, I got a